In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable QR codes on Zoho Invoices. Whether you're seeking to simplify the payment process for your clients or offer quick access to invoice details, enabling QR codes can be incredibly beneficial. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you make the most of this feature. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho Invoice account. If you haven't already signed up, make sure to create an account before proceeding. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Now locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to the account settings. Give it a click and you'll find yourself in the settings menu. Within the settings menu, look for the option labeled Invoices. Clicking on this will take you into the invoice configuration section where you can make changes specific to invoices. Here, you'll want to hunt for the option that says Invoice QR Code. When you find it, there will be a toggle switch right next to it. Go ahead and enable the QR code option by switching this toggle. Now that QR coding is enabled on your invoices, you have a decision to make. Zoho offers two different types of QR codes, invoice URL and custom. If you want your QR code to link directly to a digital copy of the invoice, then the invoice URL option is the one for you. It's a simple way for clients to access invoice details with just a quick scan on their mobile device. Alternatively, if you're looking to provide more specific information or a personalized message, the custom option is your best bet. By choosing custom, you can enter your own message, a URL, or any relevant information which will be displayed once the code is scanned. This is particularly useful if you want to direct clients to a specific web page or include other dynamic information. If you choose the custom QR code option, you'll need to configure it. Click on Configure, and you can then enter your custom message or placeholders. Bear in mind you have a limit of 250 characters. Use this space wisely to convey the most essential information or to personalize the experience for your clients. Additionally, there's an option to add a brief description to your QR code. Though this step is optional, providing a description can help in organizing your invoices and make them easier for recipients to understand the purpose of the QR code at a glance. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button to apply all these changes. Take a moment to review everything, ensuring the settings reflect your intentions. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled and configured QR codes on your Zoho invoices. This tool can streamline interactions by making payments more accessible and providing important information instantaneously. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.